Hello mga kababs, food trip and road trip ba? Tara! So we decided to go to Candaba Pinac Food Park and the view is breathtaking along the way, especially if you are already tired of the city view. And this is just 1 hour away from Angeles City. They have a lot of food to offer, most of it are street foods, pero masasarap din naman. And sabi nga nila, mas marami pa raw food dito on a weekends. But we went here on a weekday. We tried some of their food, pero halos hindi naman namin na-try lahat. Kasi mabilis lang naman din kami mabusog. Isa sa nagustuhan namin is yung nachos na binili namin. And masarap din yung bagnet pares, pati yung sabaw niya. But above all, ang pinaka nagustuhan namin is yung okoy. You can't get enough of it. At ang saya-saya ko habang kinakain ko yan. It's so crispy and malasa. Especially if you are eating with a nice and good view. Lalo na ang lamig at ang sarap ng klima dito. So, if you wanna go for a road trip and food trip, try nyo na. Ka-enjoy!